We'll guide you through how to use the VSCode AI Toolkit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to access all the new features. Next, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. In the search bar, type AI Toolkit and press Enter. You should see the AI Toolkit by Microsoft in the list of extensions. Click on it and then click the green Install button. Once installed, you can access the AI Toolkit through the command palette. To open the command palette, press Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or CMD+Shift+P on Mac. Type AI Toolkit to see a list of available commands. This toolkit can assist with code completion, generating code snippets, and even debugging your code using AI-powered suggestions. To enable AI-assisted code completion, navigate to the settings by clicking on File, then Preferences, and finally Settings. In the Settings search bar, type AI Toolkit, and make sure the options for AI code completion are enabled. You can customize these settings to fit your coding style. When you're writing code, the AI Toolkit will automatically provide suggestions and auto-completions. If you're working on a specific block of code and would like some AI-generated suggestions, highlight the code and either right-click to select Get AI Suggestions or use the command palette. This feature is especially helpful for complex algorithms or when you're working with unfamiliar libraries. Don't forget to explore other features like AI-driven code refactoring and documentation generation. These tools can save you a lot of time and help you write cleaner, more efficient code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.